How to add PayPal to Clickbank. Clickbank is an online marketplace that connects product creators with affiliates who promote digital and some physical products. It handles payments, tracks sales, and pays commissions, allowing people to earn money either by selling their own products or promoting others. First, go to Clickbank website and log into your account with email and password. All we need to do is go to account settings. It will then load up your account to show you your name, address. You then want to go ahead and scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Here you'll find your payment information. Now it'll be in a box itself, so go ahead and click on Edit. But for many countries, PayPal is not available to link with Clickbank. For that, first you have to add your bank account with your PayPal account. After that, add your same bank account details in Clickbank account. And you can send money from Clickbank to PayPal. That's it. Thanks for watching.